Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss exercise 3 of G from the chapter matrices, Telugu Academy Maths 1A. If you didn't watch my previous videos, the link is in the description, watch it. Okay, in the first bit he is asking, examine whether the following system of equations are consistent or inconsistent, and if consistent then find the complete solutions. So consistent means having at least one solution, inconsistent means having no solution at all. So when we will be having a solution or when we won't have any solution. If the rank of matrix A is exactly equals to the rank of augmented matrix, that rank should be 3, then we can say that that is having a unique solution. Next, rank of the matrix is equals to rank of the augmented matrix, but if that rank is less than 3, then that system of 3 equations will be having infinite solutions. In case if rank of matrix A is not equals to rank of the augmented matrix, then no solution at all. So these 3 conditions we need to know. Okay, now from the equations let us try to create the matrix as well as augmented matrix. Okay, first let me finish the matrix. First equation, if we take x coefficient 1, y coefficient 1, z coefficient 1, that will become the first row of the matrix. The same way second equation, x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient, x coefficient 2, y coefficient plus 5, z coefficient minus 2. The same way third equation, x coefficient 1, y coefficient 7, z coefficient minus 7. This will become the matrix A. Of course, instead of taking matrix A, you can take some other alphabet also, no problem. Okay, now let us find out this rank of this matrix. Oh, sorry, this is minus 7. Okay, so to find out the matrix rank, first of all I will go with the determinant. This is plus minus plus. So first one 1 into, if this row and if this column if we delete, 5 into minus 7 minus 35, then 7 into minus 2 minus 14. So minus into minus plus 14. Next second one, the second row and column if we remove, minus 1 into 2 into minus 7 minus 14, 1 into minus 2 already minus will be there, so plus 2. Next third one, plus 1 into, if we remove that column and row, 2 7s are 14 minus 1 5s are 5. Okay, now if we simplify this, 1 into 35 minus 14, it is minus 21. Next minus 1 into minus 14 plus 2 minus 12, plus 1 into 14 minus 5 9, 1 into minus 21 minus 21, minus 1 into minus 12 plus 12 plus 9. So now minus 21 as usual, plus 12 plus 9, it is plus 21. Minus 21 plus 21 is equals to 0. If the determinant is 0 for the 3 by 3 matrix, then rank is not 3 by 3. So now from that given 3 by 3 matrix, we need to pick a 2 by 2 matrix. So these elements I am taking 1 1 2 5. 1 1 2 5. Let me confirm once again. Okay, 1 1 2 5, that's it. So for this we will find out the determinant now. 1 into 5 5 minus 2 ones are 2. So 5 minus 2 3. This determinant is not equals to 0, then the rank of matrix A equals to 2. Because 2 by 2 matrix only we got determinant not equals to 0. Okay, now let us create the augmented matrix, that is a row of A. Simply these constant numbers also we need to add. So first row will become 1 1 1 4, 1 1 1 4. Next second row will become 2 5 minus 2 3, 2 5 minus 2 and 3. Next last will become 1 7 minus 7 5. 1 7 minus 7 and 5. Okay, now we need to find out the rank for this one. Okay, so first of all I will try to do some row changes or modifications. First one what I am going to do is row 2 I will change to row 2 minus 2 r, so 2 times r1, and the same way row 2 also I will change to row 3 minus row 1. Okay, let us check now. So row 1 as it is. Oh sorry, this is row 3, better it is because R2 already wrote, right? Okay, now first row as it is, that is 1 1 1 4. Then comes row 2. Row 2 what we are doing, row 2 minus 2 r1, so 2 minus 2 1s are 2, 2 minus 2 0, 5 minus 2 1s are 2, 5 minus 2 3, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, then 3 minus 8 minus 5. Okay, next row 3 what we are doing, okay, in the row 3 we are doing it as row 3 minus row 1, so 1 minus 1 0, 7 minus 1 6, minus 7 minus 1 minus 8, 5 minus 4, it will be 1. Okay, next what I will do sorry, I will try to change R3. So R3 I will change to R3 minus 2 R2. So first row as usual 1 1 1 4. Then second row also as usual 0 3 minus 4 minus 5. Then R3 we will write it as R3 minus 2 R2. So 0 minus 0 0. 6 minus 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 0 again. Minus 8 plus 8 0 again. So next 1 plus 10, it will become 11. Okay, now if we observe this clearly, how many rows we have where every element is a, sorry, at least one element is a non-zero element. In this at least one non-zero element is there, in this also at least one non-zero element is there, in this also at least one non-element 0 is there. So the rank will become 3. Now if you observe from the previous one and this one, rank of the matrix A is 2, whereas rank of the augmented matrix is 3. So these two ranks are not at all equal. Then these two ranks are not at all equal means inconsistent. So inconsistent is nothing but no solution at all. Okay, the same way let's check the next second question. X plus y plus z is equals to 6. X minus y plus z is equals to 2. Then 2x minus y plus 3z equals to 9. So first we need to write the A matrix. Okay, let us check now. X coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient, that is 1 1 1. X coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient 1 minus 1 1. 2 x coefficient 2, y coefficient minus 1 and z coefficient 3. So this is the matrix A. For this matrix A we need to find out the rank. So for that I am going to use the determinant only, same again. This will become plus minus plus. So 1 into, if we remove that row as well as column, minus 1 into 3 minus 3 minus 1 into 1 minus 1, already minus is there, so it will become plus. The same way first to second element if we take row column if we delete, minus 1 into 3 3 minus 2 1s are 2. Then the same way third element if we move to that is plus 1 into, if we remove that row as well as column, 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 2 minus 2, already minus is there, so it will become plus 2. Now let us simplify this. 1 into minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1 into 3 minus 2 1 plus 1 into minus 1 plus 2 1. So 1 into minus 2 minus 2, minus 1 into 1 minus 1, plus 1 ones are 1. So here plus 1 minus 1 both will get cancelled, then we get the determinant as minus 2, which is not equals to 0. So we did the determinant for 3 by 3 matrix, and that is not equals to 0, then the rank also will be 3 only. So row of A is equals to 3. The same way, now let us write the augmented matrix. So augmented matrix, what we have here, 1 1 1 6, 1 1 1 6, 1 1 6. Next 1 minus 1 1 2, 1 minus 1 1 2. Then third row will be 2 minus 1 3 9. Sorry, 2 minus 1 3 9. This is the augmented matrix we have. Now for this matrix, to find out the determinant, first I will do some changes. Row 2 I will change to row 2 minus row 1, and row 3 I will change to R3 minus 2R1. Okay, let us check what we will get then. Row 1 as it is, that is 1 1 1 6. Then what is row 2? Row 2 minus row 1. So 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 minus 1 2, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 6, it is minus 4. Oh sorry, this is minus 1 minus 2, right? Okay, now same way, what is third row we took as? Third row is nothing but row 3 minus 2R1. So 2 minus 2 0, minus 1, this will become 2 times, right? So minus 2, minus 1, sorry, I will do it here. Minus 1 minus 2 into row 1. Oh sorry, row 1, right? I am doing with row 2, sorry. Okay, 2 minus 2 times 1 0, minus 1 minus 2 into row 1 is 1. So minus 1 minus 2, it will be nothing but minus 3. Then 3 minus 2 1, 9 minus 12 minus 3. Next, let us think for any possibilities there to change it to further still, or not there anything like that. For R2, what I will do is, R2 I will multiply with minus half. R2 I will multiply with minus half. Okay, then what we will get? First row as it is 1 1 1 6. So 0 into minus of 0, minus 2 into minus of 1, 0 into minus of 0, minus 4 into minus of it is 2. So then we will get 0 minus 3, 1 minus 3, 0 minus 3, 1 minus 3. Next, what I will do is, R1 I will change to R1 minus R2. The same way, R3 I will change to R3 plus 3 times R2. Okay, let us check then. Anyway, R1 is same. Oh, sorry, not same, right? R1 we are taking as R1 minus R2. So 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 6 minus 2, 4. So 1, 0, 1, 4. Then R2 is as usual 0, 1, 0, 2. Then we need to change R3. Let us check that R3 now. So what we are taking R3 for? R3 is nothing but R3 plus 3R2. Okay, so 0 plus 3, 0, 0 only again. So 0 plus 0, 0. Okay, next, this is minus 3. This will become 3 into 1, 3. Minus 3 plus 3, again 0 only. Next, this is 1 plus 3 into 0, 0. So this will become 1 only again. Next, this is minus 3. This is 3 to the 6. Minus 3 plus 6, it is plus 3. 1 0 1 4 0 1 0 2 0 0 1 3. Now what I will do is, R1 I will write it as R1 minus R3 only. So what I will get then? 1 minus 0, 1, 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 4 minus 3, it is 1. Then remaining all as usual, that is 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1, 3, 0, 0, 1, 3. Why I did this much changes means, if we get here unit matrix, then whatever the remaining extra column is remaining, those values will be equal to x, y, z. That is the only reason this much I did. So before doing this all only we can clarify in the beginning only that this rank is 3. No doubt at all. So now I can clearly that rank of the augmented matrix is also 3 only. So rank of the matrix A and rank of the matrix augmented is both are same, and that too is equals to 3. So then we can say that it has unique solution. So if it is unique solution means definitely we need to get answers for x, y and z. So here whatever the extra column we remained with, those will become x, y, z values respectively. Okay, let's move to the next question then. The next question we have x plus y plus z is equals to 1. Then comes 2x plus y plus z is equals to 2. Then comes x plus 2y plus 2z is equals to 1. So here first we need to find out the normal matrix. Matrix A. A equals to x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient, x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient, x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient. Okay, for this we need to find out the rank first of all. Okay, first what I will do is I will go with the 3 by 3 matrix and I'll find out the determinant. So first this is plus minus plus. So 1 into column row if we delete, 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, so 0 it will become. Then next same way minus 1 into if we remove that row and column, 2 2s are 4, minus 1 1s are 1. Then the same way last one also if we check, plus 1 into column row if we delete, 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1. 2 2s are 4, minus 1 1s are 1. Okay, done. Now here if you observe this clearly, 1 into 0 0, minus 1 into 4 minus 1 3, plus 1 into 4 minus 1 3. This is minus 1 into 3, this is plus 1 into 3, both will get cancelled, then the determinant is 0. If the determinant is 0 for 3 by 3 matrix, then the rank is not 3. Then I will take any one sub matrix from this given 3 by 3 matrix. I will take these 4 elements, 1 1 2 1. 1 1 2 1, and I'll find out the determinant again for this. 1 1s are 1, minus 2 1s are 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1. This minus 1 is not equals to 0, then the rank is nothing but 2. Okay, now let us find the augmented matrix then. Okay, what is augmented matrix here? First row 1 1 1 1, 1 1 1 1. Next second row will be 2 1 1 2. 2 1 1 2. Then what will be the third row? 1 2 2 1. 1 2 2 1. Okay, so whenever we are finding the rank of a matrix, the first and foremost thing we need to check is there any chance to get all zeros in any single row? So for that only we will do so many things for all the rows, like row 1 minus row 3, otherwise row 1 minus 3r1, like that all we will do, just to get one thing, that is whether it is equal to 0 or not. Okay, now let me do something for this also. 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 2 2 1. So what I will do is row 2 I will write it as row 2 minus row 1, then I will get half of the zeros. Then next row 3 I will write it as row 3 minus row 1. Okay, let us check it out then. Row 1 as it is, then 1 1 1 1. Then row 2 is row 2 minus row 1, 2 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1. Next, what is row 3 then? Row 3 minus row 1, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 0. Oh sorry, I changed the pen by mistake. 0 then. Okay, this is something what I got. So now what we need to do from this also. Okay, let me check once again. That is R2, I will write it as R2 plus R3. So that what will become, first row as it is 1 1 1 1, then second row will become 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, and third row as it is, that is 0 1 1 0, 0 1 1 0. Okay, now if you observe clearly, row 1 row 2 both are same. So what I will do is, row 1 I will write it as row 1 minus row 2. Otherwise you can write row 2 as row 2 minus row 1 also, same anyway, no problem. So first row I am writing, right, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. Then row 2 row 3 as it is. So let's write row 2 1 1 1 1 and row 3 0 1 1 1, sorry 0. Now if we observe this clearly, here this total row is zeros only. So only these two rows we need to consider now. So rank is nothing but 2. So rank of the matrix A is 2 only, and rank of the augmented matrix is also 2 only. So these two ranks are equal to each other, but that rank is less than 3. So we can clarify one thing, that is it will be having infinite solutions. Okay, the fourth question is x plus y plus z equals to 9, 2x plus 5y plus 7z equals to 52, 2x plus y minus z is equals to 0. So first, from the given three equations, let us find out the matrix A. Here x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is 1, z coefficient is 1. That will become the first row, 1 1 1. And the same way second equation, x coefficient 2, y coefficient 5, z coefficient 7. The same way third equation, x coefficient 2, y coefficient 1, z coefficient minus 1. Okay, now let us find out the rank of this matrix now, which is a 3 by 3 matrix. Let us find out the rank for this. So to find out the rank, first I am going to find the determinant of this. This will become plus, this will become minus, and this will become plus. So plus 1 into, if we remove this column as well as row, it will become 5 into minus 1 minus 5, minus 1 into 7, 7. Next comes first row second element, that is minus 1 into first row first column, if we delete, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus 2 7s are 14. The same way third, first row third column, plus 1 into 2 into 1 2, minus 2 5s are 10. Okay, now if you observe this, 1 into minus 5 minus 7 minus 12, minus 1 into minus 2 minus 14 minus 16, plus 1 into 2 minus 10, it is minus 8. So 1 into minus 12 minus 12, minus 1 into minus 16 plus 16, plus 1 into minus 8 minus 8. So here minus 12 minus 8 minus 20 plus 16, minus 20 plus 16 is nothing but minus 4. This minus 4 is not equals to 0. So here the determinant is not equals to 0, then the rank of this matrix will be equals to the number of rows. So this is a 3 by 3 matrix, so rank will be equals to 3. Rank of the matrix A is 3. Okay, now from the given three equations we need to find out the augmented matrix. That is nothing but including the constant. 1 1 1 9, 1 1 1 9. Next comes 2 5 7 52, 2 5 7 52. Next comes 2 1 minus 1 0, 2 1 minus 1 and 0. Okay, now for this what I will do is I will do some row operations. Row 2 I will make it to R2 minus 2R1. At the same time, row 3 I will change to row 3 minus 2 times R1. Okay, let us go with now. First row as it is 1 1 1 9. Then second row we are taking it as row 2 minus 2R1. So 2 minus 2 0, 5 minus 2. I am doubling the first row elements. So 5 minus 2 it will become 3. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Next 52 minus 9 2 is 18. 52 minus 18 is nothing but 34. Next the same way third row also if you observe. Okay, third row what we are doing, R3 minus 2R1. So 2 minus double again, 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 2 minus 1, minus 1 minus 2 it will become minus 3, 0 minus 18 it is minus 18. Okay, now if we observe this matrix clearly, is there any possibility to make any one of the rows completely every element 0? Is it possible to do like that? So for that only we will try until we will get, if we may get or we may not get. Otherwise, if it is not possible to get like that, we need to bring these three columns like this: 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So after making these three columns like this method, then whatever the numbers we will remain in the last column, those values will become x, y and z values. So out of these two, by some row changes we will get some answer. Let us find out what will be then. So for this, what I'm doing is, in the row 3 I have all negative numbers, right? So that's why row 3 I am multiplying with a negative symbol, I mean minus 1 or simply negative symbol. Okay, what will get then? First row as it is 1 1 1 9, second row also as it is 0 3 5 34, and the third row will become negative symbols. 0 doesn't have any symbol, so as usual 0 only. Minus 1 will become plus 1, minus 3 will become plus 3, minus 18 will become plus 18. Okay, next what I will change is, row 1 I will change to row 1 minus row 3, because I will get so many zeros. Next, the same way, row 2 also I will change to row 2 minus 3 R3, row 2 minus 3 times R3. Okay, let us check then. Row 1 I am writing it as row 1 minus row 3, right? So 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 3 it is minus 2, 9 minus 18 it will become minus 9. 1 0 minus 2 minus 9. Okay, next what, row 2 I need to change now. So what is there in that row to change? Row 2 minus 3R1. So 0 minus 3 into 0, 0 only. 3 minus 3 ones are 3. So 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 3 3s are 9. 5 minus 9 minus 4. 34 minus 18 3s are. What will get then? So 54, so minus 20 it will be, minus 20. Next, third row as usual, 0 1 3 18, 0 1 3 18. Okay, next, in the row 2 we have negative symbol, as well as 4 table 4 will come, 20 table also, sorry, 4 table 20 also will come. So that's why R2 I am multiplying with minus 1 by 4. R2 I am multiplying with minus 1 by 4. So first row as it is 0 1 0 minus 2 minus 9, then second row will become 0 into anything 0, 0 into anything 0, minus 4 into minus 1 by 4, minus minus cancel, so 1 4 4 cancel 1, and minus 20 into minus 1 by 4, minus minus cancel, 4 on the 4 5s are, so remaining will be 0 1 3 18. Okay, next what I will do is, row 1 I will change to row 1 plus 2R2. The same way, row 3 minus 3R2. Okay, let us check it out. First row 1 I will change R1 plus 2R2, right? So 1 plus 2 into 0, 1 only. 0 anything 0 only. Next, minus 2 plus 2 it will become 0. Minus 9 plus 10 it will become 1. Next, row 2 we are not changing anything, so 0 0 1 5 as it is. Next, if we try to change the row 3, we have R3 minus 3R2, so 0, anything if we do also 0 only. Next, 1 minus 0, again 1 only. And next comes 3 minus 3, it will become 0. 18 minus 5 3 is 15, 18 minus 15, 3 it will become. Okay, now if we observe the row 2 and row 3 clearly, as I said in the previous step already, I will like to get the answer like this: 1 0 0 0 0 1, sorry, 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 unit matrix. So now if we observe these two rows, I will interchange now. So whatever I will require, I will get that one, interchanging the second row and third row. So first row as it is 1 0 0 1, and second row will become 0 0, oh sorry, third row will come to second row, right? 0 1 0 3. The same way second row will go to third row, 0 0 1 5. So this is finally what we got now. Now in this we need to check how many rows are having all the elements as zeros. In this all elements are not zeros. In this row also all elements are not zeros. In this row also all elements are not zeros. So the rank will be, rank of the augmented matrix is 3. Then what about the xy values then? Okay, first let us compare the ranks. Rank of the A in the previous step we got as 3. Here rank of augmented matrix also we got as 3. Both are having the same ranks. So it will be having a, and the two, that rank is exactly 3. So it will be having a unique solution. So after getting here 3 columns 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 like that, then whatever the extra are remaining in the last column, those will become the x y z values. So x is equals to 1, y equals to 3, and z equals to 5. Okay, let us check the next question, fifth question. Fifth one is x plus y plus z is equals to 6. X plus y plus z is equals to 6. And next will be x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 10. And then last one will be x plus 2y plus 4z is equals to 1. Okay, now first let us write the A matrix. So x coefficient, x y coefficient, z coefficient, x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient, x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient. So first let us find out the rank of this one. For that I am going to find the determinant. So 1 into, if you remove this, 2 4s are 8 minus 2 3s are 6. Next second element will be minus 1 into, if you remove that column and row, 1 4s are 4 minus 1 3s are 3. The same way last element also if we check, plus 1 into, if you remove the column and row, 1 2s are 2 minus 1 2s are 2. Okay, let us simplify this now. 1 into 8 minus 6 is 2, minus 1 into 4 minus 3 is 1, plus 1 into 2 minus 2 is 0. So 1 into 2 2, minus 1 1 is 1, plus 1 into 0 0. 2 minus 1, which is nothing but 1. This determinant is not equals to 0. Then the rank of that matrix A will be equals to the number of rows in the given matrix. Here given matrix having 3 rows, then obviously it will be having a rank as 3. Now let us write the augmented matrix. That is just 3 by 3 matrix, including this 6 10 1 also in the last column. Okay, then what will be 1 1 1 6, 1 1 1 6. Next 1 2 3 10, 1 2 3 10. Then 1 2 4 1, 1 2 4 1. Okay, now in this case also we need to find out the rank only. So for that what I will do first is I will try to get any one of the rows completely all elements zeros. For example like this, 1116, 1 2 3 10. Now last row is there, right? Last row all should be zeros. I will try to make this matrix into like this. Otherwise I will try to make it into unit matrix including the fourth column, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, something here x y z, something whatever it may be. I will try to make this matrix to like this. So in this process I will change some rows and I will do some modifications to all the rows wherever it is necessary. Okay, then let us move it to it. So first what I will do is R2 I will change to R2 minus R1 so that I will get zeros. In the same way, R3 also I will change to R3 minus R2. In this also I will get some zeros. Okay, nice. Okay, now first row I am not changing anything, so first row as it is 1 1 1 6. Then second row I am writing it as R2 minus R1, so 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 1 2, 2, 10 minus 6 4. Next the same way R3 what we want, row 3 minus row 2, so it will become 1 minus 1 again 0, 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 3 1, 1 minus 10 minus 9. Okay, next what I will do is row 1 I will change to row 1 minus row 3. The same way row 2 I will change to row 2 minus 2R3, so that some more zeros will come. So now row 1 is R1 minus R3, right? So 1 minus 0 nothing but 1 only, 1 minus 0 nothing but 1 only, 1. Next 1 minus 1 it will become 0. Next 6 it's already minus, so it will become plus now, 6 plus 9 15. Now R2 also we need to change, right? So let us move to R2 now. Okay, what is R2? R2 minus 2R3, so 0 minus anything 0 only, so 1 minus 0 1 only. Next 2 minus 2 it will become 0. Then comes 4 minus 2 into R3 it will become minus 10 again, so 4 plus 2 9 18, 18 plus 4 22. So now we are not doing anything to the row 3, so copy that column, third row as it is. That will be 0 0 1 minus 9, 0 0 1 minus 9. Okay, now as I said in the previous case, what I want, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 I want, but here only one element 1 is extra, so that's why this one if we remove means, subtract means I will get 0 there. So for that process I am going to do R1 minus R2 for row 1. Row 1 I am trying to change to row 1 minus row 2. So 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 0 0, 15 minus 22 it will become minus 7. Remaining all the elements I'll write as it is 0 1 0 22 and then 0 0 1 minus 9. Okay, now if we observe how many non-zero elemental rows are there. This row all are not zeros, this row all elements are not zeros, this row all elements are not zeros. So 3 non-elemental zeros are there, non-zero elemental rows are there. So that's why rank of the augmented matrix is equals to 3. Now after this 3 by 3 matrix is a unit matrix, then whatever the remaining elements will be there in the fourth column, those will become the x, y and z values respectively. So x value is equals to minus 7, y value equals to 22 and z value equals to minus 9. Okay, let's move to the next sixth question. The sixth question is x minus 3y minus 8z is equals to minus 10. Then second equation is 3x plus y minus 4z is equals to 0. And third equation is 2x plus 5y plus 6z is equals to 13. Now by using these matrices, let us find out the rank. First let me write the matrix for this. X coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient, x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient, x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient. Now I am going to find the rank. So for that I am going to find the determinant, plus minus plus. So 1 into 1 6 are 6 minus 5 into minus 4 minus 20. Already minus is there, so it will become plus. Next, the same way, second one, if we take minus already there, so minus into minus 3 plus 3 it will become 3 6 are 18 minus 2 4s are 8, but already minus is there, so it will become plus 8. Next, the same way, last one, minus 8 into 3 5s are 15 minus 2 1s are 2. Okay, let us simplify this now. 1 into 6 plus 20 26 plus 3 into 18 plus 8, it is 26 minus 8 into 15 minus 2, it will be 13. So 1 into 26 26 plus 3 into 26 3 6 are 18, 1 carry 3 2 6 7 78 minus 18 3 are 8 3 24 4 2 carry 8 1 8 10 104 26 plus 8 78 104 minus 104 10 minus 4 104 minus 104 is nothing but 0. So here the determinant we got as 0, then the rank is not equal to the number of rows. So we can say that rank of the matrix A is less than the number of rows. So now for that I will take 1 2 by 2 submatrix from this. That is this one I will take. 1 minus 3 3 1. 1 minus 3 3 1. Any submatrix 2 by 2 we can take from the original 3 by 3 matrix. And let us find out the determinant from this again. 1 1s are 1 minus 3 into minus 3 minus 9. Already minus is there, so it will become plus 9. So 1 plus 9 nothing but 10. This 10 determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix is not equals to 0. Then the rank of this matrix is exactly equals to the rank of the given 2 by 2 matrix order. Rank of the matrix A is number of rows are there 2. So 2 it will be. Now let us write the augmented matrix for this. What it will become then? 1 minus 3 minus 8 minus 10. 1 minus 3 minus 8 minus 10. The same way, next it will be 3 1 minus 4 0. The last will be 2 5 6 13. Let me confirm once again. First row is 1 minus 3 minus 8 minus 10. 1 minus 3 minus 8 minus 10. Okay, done. Next will be 3 1 minus 4 0. 3 1 minus 4 0. Okay, done. Last row will be 2 5 6 13. 2 5 6 13. Okay, done. Now for this also we need to find out the rank. So for that what we will do is, if it is possible to make any row elements completely zeros, for example like this, first row elements are there something like this, second row elements also there something like this, and third row completely zeros like this. Is it any possibility to make one row elements completely zeros? Otherwise 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, this is a unit matrix which is 3 by 3 and including some other column 4 like this. So in these two possibilities, which one is possible to get, we will do that. So for that we will do some changes in the rows everywhere, then we will get whatever we want at the final. So for that what I am doing is, first of all, R2 I will change to R2 minus 3 R1, because here already 3 is there, I want 0 there. So 3, if I triple this one, it will become 3 again, into 3 if I do means 3 it will become. So 3 minus 3 it will become 0. That's the reason I am going with R2 minus 3 R1 first step. Next it will be R3, I will go to R3 minus 2 R1, because here it is 2 but I want there 0. So here if I multiply this number with 2, it will become 2. So 2 minus 2 it will become 0. That's why I am changing R3 to R3 minus 2 R2. Okay, now let us do. First row as it is, no changes at all. 1 minus 3 minus 8 minus 10. Next second row then, R2 minus 3 R1. So 3 minus 3 0. Next 1, it's already minus, it will become plus now. So 3 3s are 9. So 1, just a minute, R2 is 1 minus 3 into R1 is minus 3. So 1 minus into minus plus 3 plus 3 9. So 1 plus 9 it will become 10. Okay, next same way um, R2 minus 3R1, right? So R2 we have minus 4 minus minus 8 into 3, it will become minus 24, so it will become plus 24 then. So minus 4 plus 24, it will become 20. Next the same way last element, if we take 0 as it is, minus into minus plus 3 tens are 30, 0 into 0 plus 30, it will become 30 as usual. Now the same way row 3 if we change, R3 minus 2R1, so 2 minus 2 0, this is already minus is there, so it will become plus 3 to the 6, 5 plus 6 11. Next this is also already minus, so it will become plus 8 to the 16, 16 plus 6 22. This is already minus, so it will become plus 10 to the 20, 20 plus 13, it will become 33. Okay, now observe all the rows in this, we will get some kind of logic. That is, if you observe the third row clearly as well as second row clearly, second row is 10 multiples, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30. At the same way, third row if you observe 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33. So what I will do is row 2 completely I will multiply with 1 by 10. 1 by 10 into row 2. The same way row 3 I will multiply with completely 1 by 11. So first row as it is 1 minus 3 minus 8 minus 10, 0 into anything also 0 only, no problem. So 1 by 10 into 10 1, 1 by 10 into 22, 1 by 10 into 3 33. Next the same way 0 as usual, 1 by 11 into 11 1, 22 into 1 by 11 2, 33 into 1 by 11 3. This is what we will get now. Okay, now if we observe clearly, second row third row both are same as usual. So for that what I will do, any one row is our wish, row 2 I will change, row 2 I will write it as row 2 minus row 3. So now first row as usual 1 minus 3 minus 8 minus 10. Now row 2, from row 2 I am subtracting row 3, right? 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 2 3 0. So row 2 it will become completely all zeros. Then row 3 as usual 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3. Okay, now if we observe, total second row is having element zeros only. So now we don't have any work with this row at all. So remaining, how many rows are remaining? 2 rows are remaining. Then the rank of the augmented matrix is equals to 2. So if the rank of matrix A exactly equals to rank of augmented matrix, which is 2, but this 2 is less than 3, so it will be having infinite solutions. Okay, then let's move to the question number 7. The question is 2x plus 3y plus z is equals to 9, x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 6. Next 3x plus y plus 2z is equals to 8. Okay, now if we write the first matrix, first of all the coefficients we need to write. So x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient, x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient, x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient. First, for this matrix A, we need to find out the rank. So for that, let me find out the determinant. This will become plus or minus plus. Sorry, plus it will be. So 2 times this row, this column, if we remove 2 2s are 4, minus 1 3s are 3. The same way, next element minus 3 into column row, if we remove 2 2s are 4, minus 3 3s are 9. Then last element plus 1 into column row, if we remove 1 1s are 1, minus 3 2s are 6. Okay, let us simplify this now. 2 into 4 minus 3 is 1 minus 3 into 4 minus 9 minus 5 plus 1 into 1 minus 6 minus 5. 2 ones are 2, minus into minus plus, 3 5s are 15, plus into minus minus, 1 5s are 5. 2 plus 15, 17 minus 5, which is nothing but 12. So this 12 is not equals to 0. Here the determinant is not equals to 0, then the rank of the matrix will be equals to the number of rows. So here number of rows are 3 in number, so then rank of the matrix A will be equals to 3 again. Okay, now let us check the augmented matrix now. Just adding the last extra column, 2 3 1 9, 2 3 1 9. Next 1 2 3 6, 1 2 3 6. Then last row will be 3 1 2 8, 3 1 2 8. Okay, let us find out the rank for this. So what I will do is, I will try to get as many zeros as possible in the given matrix. So first what I am trying to do is, row 2 I will change to row 1 and row 1 to row 2, because here this one will go here. That is what exactly we want in the first element. So that it will become, first row we will write the second row 1 2 3 6, and this will become 2 3 1 9. Third row as usual 3 1 2 8, 3 1 2 8. Okay. Now what I will do is, here I want 0 right compulsory. So for that R2 I will change to R2 minus 2R1. The same way here I want 0. So for that I will write it as R3 gives to R3 minus 3R1. Okay, let us check it out now. First row as it is 1 2 3 6. Then second row 2 minus 2, it will become 0. 3 minus 4 minus 1. 1 minus 6 minus 5. 9 minus 12, it will become minus 3. The same way third row also if you write, what is third row then? R3 minus 3R1. Okay, so 3 minus 3 0. 1 minus 6 minus 5. Next 2 minus 6. Oh no, 3 right? Oh sorry 3 times right? Okay, so 2 minus 9, it will become minus 7. Then 8 minus 18, it will become minus 10. Now R1 I will change to R1 plus 2R2. The same time R3 I will change to R3 minus 5R2. Okay, so R1 plus 2R2, 1 plus 2 into 0, 0 only, so 1 plus 0, 1. This will become minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 2 plus minus 2. So 2 minus 2, it will become 0. This will become minus 5 into 2. It is minus 10. So 3 minus 10, it will become minus 7. Next, this will become minus 6. This is plus 6. So minus 6 plus 6, 0. Okay, first row completed. Now we are not doing anything to the second row. So second row I will write as it is. 0, minus 1, minus 5, minus 3. Here observe, in the second row completely negative symbols are there. So for the next step, I will multiply the total second row with negative symbol so that this negative will escape. Okay, next third row. What is third row? I took as R3 minus 5R2. Then it will become 0 minus 5 into 0, 0 only. Next, this is minus 5. This will become again plus 5. So minus 5 plus 5, it will become 0 then. Next, this will become plus, that is 5 as a 25. 25 minus 7, it will become 18. Next, this is minus already, so it will become plus. 3 5 is 15. 15 minus 10, it will become 5. Okay, then let us simplify further still. Okay, this second row I will multiply with a negative symbol, and to get here 1, third row I will divide by 18. Okay, let us check that now. Second row I am multiplying with minus symbol, and third row I am dividing with 18, or 3 by 18, that will become third row. Okay, now So first row as it is 1 0 minus 7 0, and second row will become just symbol change 1 5 3, and third row will become 0 0 18 by 18 1, then 5 by 18. Okay, next here 1 0, here also 0 it should be. So for these two rows, if I do anything means I won't get 0 anywhere. So that's why I will move to the third row. First row and third row I will try to change. So for that R1 what I will do is R1 plus 7 times R3. Next the same way second row also I will try to change, because here 5 is there, right? But I want 0 only. So that's why I'm trying to change second row also. So R2 I will change it to R2 minus 5R3, so that you will get 0 here. Okay, now here 1 is there, here 0 is there, so no problem, 0 is 0 is 0 is 0. So R1 will be 1 0 as it is. Here minus 7, this will become 7 1s are 7. So minus 7 plus 7 0. Next the same way, this is 0. This is 5 by 18. 5 by 18 if you multiply with 7, 5 by 18 into 7. 5 7 is 35 by 18 as it is. So it will become 35 by 18. I'll write that here. 35 by 18. Okay, whatever I got now. Second row. Here 0 0 is there, so no problem. Here 1 0 is there, so no problem. It will be same 0 1 only. 5, this is 5 1s are 5. 5 minus 5 0. Then comes R2 is 3 minus 5 into 5 by 18. 3 minus 5 as a 25 by 18. So what will be the next then? 18 into 3. 18 3s are 54. 54 minus 25. It is nothing but 29. by 18. Then third row as usual. Oh sorry, here it will be 0, right? By mistake I wrote 5 only again. It will be 0. Okay, then it will come last row as it is 0 0 1 5 by 18. Okay, now if we observe this clearly, here how many rows are having non-zero elements? All non-zero elements. Here all non-zero, non-zero, non-zero. So total 3 rows are there. That's why the row rank of the augmented matrix will be equals to 3 exactly. Then what about the XYZ values? Whenever these 3 columns are unit matrix, then the remaining column will become XYZ values respectively. So X is equals to 35 by 18. The same way Y is equals to 29 by 18. The same way Z is equals to 5 by 18. Okay, next let us move to the last question. 8th one in this exercise. X plus Y plus 4Z equals to 6. 3X plus 2Y minus 2Z equals to 9. 5X plus Y plus 2Z is equals to 13. So now first let us write the matrix A. X coefficient, Y coefficient, Z coefficient, X coefficient, Y coefficient, Z coefficient, X coefficient, Y coefficient, Z coefficient. Now let us find the rank for this. So for that I will go with the determinant. This will become plus minus plus. So 1 into, if you remove this column and row, 2 2s are 4 minus 1 2s are 2. It's already minus, so it will become plus then. Now second element, minus 1 into this column, this row if we remove, 3 2s are 6 minus 5 into minus 2 minus 10, already minus is there, so plus 10. Then last one plus 4 into, if you remove the row and column, 3 1s are 3 minus 5 2s are 10. 1 into 4 plus 2 is 6, minus 1 into 6 plus 10 is 16, plus 4 into 3 minus 10 minus 7. So 1 6 are 6, minus 16 1 are 16, plus 4 into minus 7 minus 28. Now if we simplify this, we can say clearly this is not equals to 0. So when the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix is not equals to 0, then the rank will become the number of rows. So 3 by 3 matrix is nothing but 3 rows will be there. So the rank of the matrix A will be exactly equals to 3. Now let us write the augmented matrix. So just adding one more column, that's it. 1 1 4 6, 1 1 4 6. Next comes 3 2 minus 2 9, 3 2 minus 2 9. Then 5 1 2 13, 5 1 2 13. Okay, done. Okay, for this, first what modifications I will do is row 2 I will write it as row 2 minus 3r1. The same way row 3 I will write to row 2 minus 5r1, because here I will get 0, then here also I will get 0, then only by this process only. Okay, let us write then. First row as it is 1 1 4 6. Second row r2 minus 3r1, so 3 minus 3 0, 2 minus 3 minus 1, minus 2 minus 3 to the 12, minus 12, so minus 14. Next 9 minus 18 minus 9, because 3 times we said, right? So that's why I'm multiplying with 3 to the first row. Now next r3, r2 minus 5r1, sorry, r2, no, I don't think so. So I said r3, it's right, because r3 if you do, then only we'll get 0. 5 minus, this will be 5 times again, 5 minus 5 0, 1 minus 5 minus 4 it will be, 2 minus 20 minus 18, next 13 minus 30 it will become minus 17. Okay, this is the newly formed one again. So for this what I will do is row 3 I will change to row 3 minus 4r2, because here minus 4 is there, so this will become, if we multiply with 4 means those two will get cancelled, then it will become 0. Okay, now first row as usual 1 1 4 6, 0 minus 1 minus 14 minus 9, and third row now r3 minus 4r2, right? So 0 minus 0 is 0 only. Next this is minus 1, if I multiply with minus 4 it will become plus 4 minus 4 0. This is what I said. The same way now remaining elements will be r3 is minus 18 minus 4 into r2 minus 14, sorry, minus 18 minus into minus plus 4 into 14, 56. So minus 18 plus 56, it is nothing but 38. The same way last one also if we do, we will get something like 19. Okay, now if we observe the second row and third row clearly, here second row all negative symbols are common, so I will multiply with negative symbol, and r3 19 38 both will come in same table, so that's why I will multiply with 19. Is better, right? Then no, I'll multiply with 38. Yeah, correct, because if I multiply with 38 then only I will get here 1. Okay, done. 38 I'll multiply with. Okay, so r2 I am multiplying with negative symbol, r3 r3 total I am dividing with 38. Okay, done. So first row as it is 1 1 4 6, second row will become 0 1 14 9, because we are multiplying with negative symbol, so all which symbols will change. Then next third will be then 0 0, 38 by 38 1 only, 19 by 38 half. Okay, next what? Here 1, here we need to get 0, here also we need to get 0. Okay, next here 0 1, here we need to get 0, then our total matrix will be finished. So for that what I will do is row 1 I will take it as r1 minus 4r3, so that here this will become 0 then. Next the same way r2 I will take it as R2 minus 14 R3, so that this will get 0. Okay, let us do now. First row, R1 minus 4 R3, right? So then it will become 1 1 0 6 minus 4 into half. It will become 4 then. Okay, done. Next, second row, R2 minus 14 R3, 0 1 minus 0 into anything also 0 only, so 4. This will become 0 now, and this will become, R2 is 9 minus 14 into R3, how much? Half. So it will become 2 ones are 2 sevens are, so 9 minus 7 is 2. So first row, okay, second row, okay, then third row if we take as it is, then 0 0 1 half, 0 0 1 half. Okay, now what else we need to remove here? Just here we need to make it 0, so that it will become 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, now for that these two I will do subtraction, finish, right? So R1 is nothing but R1 minus R2. So first 1 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, right? 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 0 0, 4 minus 2 2. Second row as it is, that is 0 1 0 2. Third row also as it is, 0 0 1 half. Okay, now if we observe, we will be having 3 rows where all the elements are not 0. So 3 rows are there like that. So then rank of the augmented matrix will be equals to 3. So if we observe the previous step, and here rank of the matrix is also 3 only, rank of the augmented matrix is also 3 only. Both the ranks are same, as well as the rank is 3. So that's why it will be having a unique solution. Now what is that solution? After simplifying, here we got the unit matrix. So if we got the unit matrix, means the remaining will become the values x, y, z, x2, y2 and z half. X is 2, y is also 2 and z is equals to half. This is the answer. Okay, till now if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.